It looks like major smoke in the sky. I just noticed that. Major smoke in the sky. Okay, it's here. Looks a little more refreshed today. Got a good picture of that leaf yesterday. The birds are getting into the seeds, look. Okay, Mr. Grasshopper. I see you. I see you. How are you doing today? I don't want to scare you away. You make for such a nice picture. I like him. He's fun. And the birds are really starting to enjoy this. I got a good shot of this leaf yesterday. Right, boy. You guys have aged. One of my last yellow flowers for the season. It is October the 6th, though. So what do you expect, right? The anatomy of a sunflower, folks. Go back and watch my episodes. I talk about all these little flowers that bloom and then the mature head. And behind there are all the seeds forming. This guy's hanging on by a thread with his petals. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This guy's sprouting some new life. Look at this. This is pretty. We got 2 new flowers there. Let me get a picture with that. Oops. Oh, I didn't mean to knock those off. I didn't mean to knock you off. Put you back up here. There you go. This is a chest harness that I'm trying out. I can mount a GoPro camera like a body cam, and I can go skiing or motorcycle riding or whatever. Running, walking, talking, maybe even sleeping, huh? But anything in front of you, hands-free, you can shoot. So that's what that is. We got a lot of smoke in the sky. I think there's a fire or fires burning. It's like weird. This weather is just so weird, man. It's October 6th, Sunday, and it feels like it's 90 degrees out here. Never, ever, 20 degrees above normal. I mean, we're blessed with it, I guess. I'm not complaining, but it's just amazing. It's probably low 80s, maybe 85 today. I don't know. It's cool this morning. Okay, let's get back to the garden. That was your weather lesson. Look, I got another. Oh, you can see this. There's another flower going to bloom on there. I just wanted to get a shot with this guy. I'm still going, folks. Just like I did in June, in July, and August, and September, now October. Now I could stretch out with this new pole like I did with the GoPro. Okay. This guy was sprouting another flower too. When we're dancing cheek to cheek, heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so hard, I can hardly breathe. This is one of my twin towers, if you remember. Look at all the seeds in there, man. Look at all the seeds. You see all the seeds in there? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gotta brush off the flowers on there that are there. Let me show you here. We're kind of out of the sun, but all the flowers that bloom, remember the anatomy of sunflower? You can see along the edges there. You can see the seeds up here really well. Let's see below the old dry flowers. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this so I can get you to see, but you just come in here and you knock that off. See how I'm doing that? You knock off the old flowers, and then you expose the full seeds in the head. See if we can pull a seed out of here. They're still kind of wet, so I don't know if they're gonna come out, but that's how you do it. And then the birds come in here when it's dry, and they just feast. But the seeds are in here. There we go. See that? Are you watching this? There's a couple of seeds right there. One fell. So that's how it works. These seeds just come out. And there's another one. Isn't that amazing? The anatomy of a sunflower. Everything that goes on with these guys. Oh, it's incredible. That's another seed for the birds. So I'll put it down here. Find that. That's amazing. It's amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. I like to get in there to the middle. I don't know. I don't want to get any mud, but here's another one of my favorite flowers. Still looking good though. And another one over here. I got them all over. They're almost all faded now. Let's just bend this pole out a little bit more. See what we can do here. So we can get way over here. Way over here with this new pole. So I'm emulating what the GoPro does with the iPhone, which takes a much better picture. Go up high. Dun, 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 dun. So it's not really a wide shot on this front-facing camera, but it's okay. So let's continue walking here. See what we got. See what we got. Okay. There's my first flower right there. If you weren't around. Let's try that again. If you weren't around, this is my first flower. Lots of seeds back there. They are ready to roll too. Ready for harvest. This guy's just hanging. This was my tallest flower. It was a disappointment though. He didn't come out like he should have. The head just never developed like it should have, but I'm thankful for its beauty. The yellow petals are just so gorgeous. I could say gorgeous. Can I say gorgeous? Dormant. They're all dormant now, folks. Just go back in my archives and you can see them all, every one of these alive, blooming. We'll do a harvest video here soon. I'll harvest some of these seeds. I think you'd like that video. It's always fun. This guy's still got a few petals. Still got a few petals. And he says hanging. This was one of my last tall flowers. How you doing there, bud? You're one of my tallest guys. Look at these leaves though. They're still so pretty. Big and healthy. feel like scratchy velvet. Little photo op here. With my guys, feel the warmth of the sun on my face on a cold winter's day. Oh, this guy is really leaning, man. You are a leaner, dude. You're leaning down more than most of my flowers. And I don't know why. I'm one-handing this. It's a little difficult. I'm doing it. Beautiful baby. Beautiful baby. Oh. There we go. There we go. I'm not going to get into the middle with all this, guys, so because of the mud. I've been only watering every other day. But then they look a little ratty the next day. With this heat, I could probably water again. See how far we can extend this out again, like I said. They go like 60 inches, 66 inches. How tall am I? You're taller than me? Now I'm using two hands because it's a little harder. I was just looking. Slow dancing, swaying with the music. How high up could we go? How high up should we go? This thing can bend even more. So if I want to go up this high, okay. Are we having fun? I think so. I think so. I think we're having fun. Touche. You get to see me trying out my new extension pole and tripod. This actually has a tripod on it too. This thing is good. It's working good. Very, very affordable too. You can see me in there. Okay. I think that's good. I think I'm done amusing myself. How about you? Am I still there? There I am. Okay. Well, let's wind this up. Maybe we'll try the tripod out and do the lightning pose again. Okay, folks, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you watching. Aren't these fun? I love getting out. If I'm feeling a little down, I just turn the camera on. And I come out and I feel better when I get back. So that's how that works. People watching these videos too feel the same way. But I'm glad to be here. October the 6th. I just am blown away by how fast time is going. Christmas stuff is full blown at Walmart. Even a couple of weeks ago, Christmas stuff was out. So before we know it, we're going to be seeing Christmas carols. It may be 70-degree heat. That would be the first. So I wouldn't put it past it. We don't see anything coming in to blow this out. So we're under a high pressure system, strong high pressure, just over the area. Okay. Love my garden. Love my God. Thank you for joining me. Check out some of the new videos I'm doing on my YouTube channel, Voice of History and God's Underground. Just released an 8-minute video about the importance of voting and getting out there and voting. A few years ago, after the 2020 election, I said, I'm never going to vote again. Never. But you know what? The devil said, that's what we want you to do. We don't want you to vote. We don't want you to vote. And then it'll leave them to vote for whoever they want. No. So I saw through that. But we need to be registered to vote. A lot of tyranny still going on. A lot of bad things I'm not going to even say in here because these are good videos. But just get out and vote. Vote for good. And you're voting for the right person. That's all I'm going to say about that. Okay. Amen. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Even if you have, try it again, because I still only got 18. It's like stuck at 18 subscribers. I've got almost 70,000 subscribers on Voices of History. 671 on God's Underground. So let's get this going a little bit. Share this with somebody who might need some encouragement. You just can't go wrong with this garden, right? I am extending this out again. I like the ability to do this. So, okay, I'm going to say goodbye from a distance. You can kind of see this pole. Oh, that's a little funky though, doesn't it? So maybe we won't go up that far. Okay, maybe I don't want you to see the pole. That's the magic of doing these kind of shots. We don't want you to see the pole. Should we do some slow motion video? We can slow this down. We'll do it. God bless you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next broadcast. Share these videos. You're watching LARÉ TV on my Sunflower channel. You're watching LARÉ TV on my Sunflower channel.
Flying higher every day. Flying higher every day. No, I won't hesitate. No, I won't be afraid. Looking back on your life, looking at you, looking at me. No, I won't hesitate. No, I won't be afraid. Looking back on your life, looking at you, looking at me. No, I won't hesitate. No, I won't be afraid. Learning to fly, not fade away. Just for a moment, you've stepped off the stage.
Ready? This is made famous by Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt from Jamaica, a famous track sprinter. And he would win one of his heats, and you'd see him doing one of his lightning poses. I don't know exactly why or what it's all about, but it's like a victory pose. So we're going to do that right now again. I like doing this, okay? Here we go. 1, 2,